guys, today I will show you Android on your PC. Let's get started. Go to Android Studio.
Now because I'm a girl, you need to help me when inside. You want to help me, but I have the girl. I have the girl, baby, I'm enough. Yeah. Now because I'm a girl, you need to help me when I'm sad. You want to help
You
me,
can see
but I
different
have
features
the
associated with Android
girl.
Studio. Now click on the download button at the start. Accept the condition and click on Download Android Studio.
'Cause I'm bleeding, going crazy. I need you, just cut me. You don't help me.
Post the download in the download folder and click on the app to start installing the studio. Follow the steps as shown.
Now because I'm a girl, you need to help me when inside. You want to help me, but I have the girl. I have the girl, baby, I'm enough. Yeah. Now because I'm a girl, you need to help me when I'm sad. You want to help me, but I have the girl. I have the girl, baby, I'm enough. Hey. I've been looking for something that will give me peace of mind. You make me insecure. I pretend that it's good when I'm not. 'Cause I'm hurting, 'cause I'm bleeding, going crazy. I need you, just cut me. You don't help me.
The installation is complete. Click on Next as shown. Accept the terms and conditions. Click on Finish to install. In the studio, click on More Actions and select Virtual Device Manager to start your Android phone. You can install the software in Android Downloads.